iRecord's corporate action has dividend automated. You need not fetch any data from the exchange or upload anything to run a dividend file. However, please be notified that in corporate actions, we have a tool called Dividend. This dividend tool is automated if your system is switched on between 11 a.m. until 8:30 in the night. If your system is switched off during this time frame, automation of hours will not run on the background and you'll have to manually fetch it. Today, I'll be walking you how to manually fetch this file. Second notification that this tool will only be a fictional report that can be generated from this. No banking or accounting entry will be passed from this data that you will be able to fetch. So this is only for fictional income tracking perspective report to track income that you might or you would have to receive in your bank from dividends. That's it. No banking entry will be made from this. This is only and purely for a fictional report that you can generate. So, firstly, once you come onto corporate actions, you have to navigate to dividend menu. Once you come over here, you have to hit on add. Once you hit on add, you have to select exchange as BSC, run the file for the specific month and the year, and just hit download from server. Once you do that, it will run the file and fetch you basis your closing stock across your members and clientele, how much dividend you should be receiving for each script that you are holding, and also the total amount that should be coming at a group level. Here, as you can see, I have multiple families, multiple member names, multiple announcement days of the dividend, and multiple securities. So once you save this, a report called dividend report will load for you. This report is only a fictional report for tracking income from dividend. No banking entry can be passed basis this data. Here, you can also view narration for the dividends that has been announced and you would be receiving in the bank. So this is only an accrual basis tracking of income from dividend. And also please be notified that this amount that you are able to view is a gross of TDS amount. In the bank that you receive will be the net of TDS amount. This report you could again, bifurcate between your member wise, family wise, whatever the way you want to view the presentation of the report. You can also select only specific members you want to see this report for, or the only specific script that you want to see the report for.